Hello everybody and welcome back to Summit Railway. Today I want to show you the Canadian Pacific and Kansas City Railway. I've been to Canada, more specific to Calgary, Alberta for a couple of weeks, and I've done some train spotting. So here we go. The train yard in Calgary from the Canadian Pacific Railroad is right next to the skyline of the city, very nicely situated. Let's start by having a look at the diesel shop. It is a huge building, it seems to be in really good shape, and they've built a lot of impressive infrastructure right next to it. After the passage of this train, I switched position to a place slightly west of Cochrane to see a eastbound heading train pass by.